Hello there, little learners. Are you ready to learn your ABCs with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You did it! You learned all the letters from A to Z. Let's say them together one